Plate thickness 1/8 inch 3 mm up to 35 inch 900 mm. Typical 3/8 inch 10 mm up to 12 inch 300 mm. Key features of oxy-fuel cutting: good cut quality, smooth, vertical planes of cut, metallurgical perfect surfaces oxidize, carbonizing and hardening within the area of the heat-affected zone, high heat input, wide range of material, low cutting speed, plasma cutting, fast, accurate and high quality. Plasma cutting was originally developed for the thermal cutting of materials which were unsuitable for flame cutting, such as high alloy steels or aluminum. Today, the process is also used for the economical cutting of thin, low-alloyed steels. Plasma cutting machines from Cutting Systems. Cutting Systems has been a manufacturer of cutting-edge technology for the metalworking industry worldwide. We have perfected machinery for both straight and bevel plasma cutting to ensure the quality, reliability, and efficiency of your cutting process. What is plasma? The fourth state of matter. One common definition of plasma is to describe it as the fourth state of matter. We normally think of the three states of matter as solid, liquid, and gas. For a common element, water, these three states are ice, water, and steam. The difference between these states relates to their energy levels. When we add energy in the form of heat to ice, the ice melts and forms water. When we add more energy into the water, it vaporizes into hydrogen and oxygen in the form of steam. By adding more energy to steam, these gases become ionized. This ionization process causes the gas to become electrically conductive. This electrically conductive ionized gas is called a plasma. How plasma cuts through metal. The plasma cutting process, as used in the cutting of electrically conductive metals, utilizes this electrically conductive gas to transfer energy from an electrical power source through a plasma cutter torch to the material being cut. The basic plasma arc cutting system consists of a power supply, an arc starting circuit, and a torch. These system components provide the electrical energy, ionization capability, and process control that is necessary to produce high-quality, highly productive cuts on a variety of different materials. The power supply is a constant current DC power source. The open circuit voltage is typically in the range of 240 to 400 VDC. The output current amperage of the power supply determines the speed and cut thickness capability of the system. The main function of the power supply is to provide the correct energy to maintain the plasma arc after ionization. The arc starting circuit is a high-frequency generator circuit that produces an AC voltage of 5,000 to 10,000 volts at approximately 2 MHz. This voltage is used to create a high-intensity arc inside the torch to ionize the gas, thereby producing the plasma. The torch serves as the holder for the consumable S, especially nozzle and electrode, and provides cooling either gas or water to these parts. The nozzle and electrode constrict and maintain the plasma jet. Plasma cutting characteristics. Plate thickness 1/32 inch 0.8 mm up to 6 inches 150 mm. Typical 1/8 inch 3 mm up to 3 inches 75 mm. Plasma cutting key features: low to high cut quality, smooth edge surface, metallurgical perfect surfaces for welding, medium heat input, excellent cutting speed, hardening within the area of the HAZ, wide range of material. Cutting tables complement your machines. Our cutting tables are the ideal complement for your cutting machine, equipped with an additional smoke extraction system. They protect the user from the harmful smoke and help to protect the environment. The equipment is especially engineered to filter air, remove solids, smoke fumes. The exhaust and filter equipment for cutting Operations provides suitable working conditions and clean environment. Less space, but maximum productivity. The sports a rugged unit IZ steel table frame, full capture bearing assemblies and a low-mass aluminum beam driven by dual brushless AC motors, providing fast acceleration, precise motion and a very stable cutting platform. Powered by the Global Control S with touch screen interface and the familiar Windows screen layout. Novice operators quickly master the machine. Coupled with S virtual service, real-time direct applications help is available to new operators and programmers, providing quick, accurate and complete answers to process and operational questions. Key features. Powered by the Global Control S with touch screen interface. Uses a rugged unit IZ steel table frame. Tool coverage 6x12, 6x24, 8x12, 8x24, 10x12 and 10x20 for 1/8 to 7/3 Material thickness capacity 26 Ga to 376 mm depending on process use. Materials processed: steel, stainless steel and aluminum. Optional H20 water table. Economical Gantry flame cutting machine. 1 International advanced software and hardware technologies make it a multifunctional, high precision, superior performance and reliable portable CNC cutting equipment to symmetric structure of square crossbeam S. Ensures its stability. High precision of linear guide ensures accurate guiding. 3 Low gravity of crossbeam S and long span structure. Dual drive of high precision rack and gear for highly automated machine with easy operation and maintenance. Good reliability and compact structure. Perfectly suit for to perform plate cutting. Stock 5 protection on electrics, mechanical parts, and pipelines for extending service life. 6 All of the mechanical parts are imported and fabricated by an excellent CNC processing center, effectively guaranteeing its accurate installation and reliable operation. 7 Available for equipping with several torches on back for straight cutting. Type rail span mm1. Rail length can be customized to m1 piece. Specification kg m20 for kilograms. CNC torch sets 1 to 2 can be customized. Effective cutting width rail span for 100 mm. 1 torch is standard. Effective cutting length rail length 1600 mm. Flame cutting thickness 6 to 100 mm can be customized for larger thickness. Flame cutting speed min 5750 mm. Running speed min 1 to 000. Economical Gantry flame and plasma cutting machine. The machine is the choice for steel service centers looking for precision cutting with flame and or plasma in a large gantry machine format. The CNC can be configured in widths up to 26 and lengths up to and exceeding 200 and boasts industry-leading speed and accuracy. Additional high production options for plate cutting included up to 12 plasma torches, which is widely used in manufacturing wind turbine tower and concrete mixer truck drum. Gantry CNC Plasma Cutting Machine. Our Gantry Plasma CNC Cutter is a large-sized plasma cutting machine with a powerful high-ampere cutting plasma cutting system, suitable for middle-size or large engineering and metal profile cutting businesses to effortlessly cut all kinds of metal plates, from thin to thick 75 mm with complex patterns. Addition oxy-fuel cutting capacity is included for your convenience. Gantry CNC Plasma Cutter. Our Gantry CNC Plasma Cutting Machine provides a large working area for metal cutting with high efficiency and high precision and reduces labor intensity. It is widely used in the process of cutting metal plates in the machinery manufacturing industry, engineering industry and metal fabrication, and can cut mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper and many kinds of non-ferrous metal. Wider size CNC Plasma Cutter. Gantry CNC Plasma Cutter is an enlarged version of cutting CNC plasma with customized cutting table, 220 V 50 Hz electricity. Need voltage regulator Gantry CNC cutting machine. Technology parameters. Our Gantry CNC Plasma is an upgraded version of the CNC Plasma with the same trusted CNC control system. Automatic arc voltage torch height controller. Flame oxy-fuel cutting system. Enlarged working area size and local customize. Cutting table. Input power to 20 V 50 Hz. 1400 W. Cutting mode plasma cutting flame cutting. Transmission style rack and gear. Drive system Panasonic servo motors. Double sides drive twin servo motors on Y-axis. One servo motor on X-axis. Torch lift distance 90 mm. Cutting speed 9000 mm minute 150 mm second. CNC control system CNC machine control system. CNC control. THC automatic arc voltage torch height controller. THC. Torch height controller. Oxy-fuel double torch cutting. With plasma torch and flame oxy-fuel cutting torch. Piercing capacity. 5 to 80 mm. Edge start. 51 to 0 mm. Oxygen plus propane default propane nozzle. Or oxygen plus acetylene gas. Gas pressure 1 bar. Oxygen pressure 7 bar. Need phase electricity cutting plasma system option. To utilize the full power of the enlarged working area, we incorporate a powerful plasma cutting system from cutting with our Gantry CNC Plasma. That is the strongest plasma in the cutting series. It provides a 105 A output current with thickness cutting capacity. Why choose the Max Pro 200 plasma cutting system? Achieves impressive cut speeds, consistent cut quality and exceptional consumable life with air or oxygen plasma gas. Optimized cutting parameters are automatically set and controlled in one step. 4. Easy operation engineered for heavy duty, high capacity mechanized cutting and gouging. Delivers reliable performance across a wide range of industrial applications. Cut plates. Fast cutting speeds, maximum productivity. Cutting's plasma power supplies are engineered to deliver industry-leading energy, efficiency and productivity with power efficiency ratings of 90% or greater and power factors up to 0.98. Extreme energy efficiency, long consumable life and lean manufacturing all led to the use of fewer natural resources and a reduced environmental impact. CNC Plasma Cutter. The CNC Plasma Gantry provide X-axis movement. We provide a 1-year quality guarantee for our Gantry CNC Plasma Cutter. Training courses are provided to ensure you have operators for this advanced plasma cutting machine all the time. We love to provide the machinery and our supreme service to your business. Therefore, we have a lowest price guarantee in place to make sure that you get the right equipment for the best price. The CNC Plasma Side Rail provide Y-axis movement, Y-axis cutting length. The cutting table is a pure steel structure and does not have any kind of quality guarantee. Is this large size CNC plasma cutter suitable for your business? More about Gantry CNC Flame Plasma Cutting Machine with Cutting Plasma Cutter. CNC Plasma Cutting Machine. Our CNC Plasma Cutter buying guide is the best point to begin when you start to look for your next or first CNC plasma cutting machine. Our CNC plasma cutters are quality built and super affordable for all your profile cutting needs. What is the best CNC plasma cutting machine for your business? Knowing your requirements is an essential facet when trying to find the best CNC plasma cutter that is perfectly suitable for your business. The requirements that you need to bear in mind include the material you need to cut, the thickness of the material, the largest size of your raw material sheet, the quality required of the cutting, the next step for the cutouts. Advanced machinery offers for main types of CNC plasma cutters for sale. CNC Plasma Cutter. Suitable for making metal arts, signage frames, trailers, gates, etc. that mainly require cutting mild steel. Up to 10 millimeters width. Low precision and low productively. Standard CNC Plasma Cutter. Suitable for small workshops and/or engineering companies for all kinds of general-purpose cutting. Large size. CNC Plasma Cutter. The much larger working area and thicker cutting ability than standard means that the large size CNC Plasma Cutter is suitable for middle-size engineering companies. Ultimate CNC Plasma Cutter. This market-leading cutter provides you with high-definition cutting quality from the thickest materials in the fastest time. Since our CNC Plasma Cutter is quality build and super affordable, our clients often say that's not bad after hearing about our